been cleaning your home all wrong and wasting hours doing it. What if I told you toothpaste could save your sneakers or that ketchup could make your pans shine? These 25 shocking cleaning hacks use everyday items in the most unexpected ways. Stick around to the end for the hack that professional cleaners swear by, but almost no one knows. Toothpaste for white sneakers. Ditch expensive sneaker cleaners. Grab non-gel white toothpaste. Rub it on your sneakers with an old toothbrush and watch them go from grimy to glowing. Ketchup cleans tarnished pots. Yup, ketchup. Its acidity breaks down tarnish on copper and brass. Just rub it in, wait 10 minutes, rinse, and be amazed. Lemons and salt equal sign cutting board savior. Rub half a lemon dipped in salt on wooden cutting boards to lift stains and kill bacteria. Natural and effective. Shaving cream for mirror fog. Apply shaving cream to your bathroom mirror, wipe it off, and enjoy fog-free reflections after every shower. Coffee filters for dust-free screens. Stop using paper towels. Coffee filters clean TV and laptop screens without leaving lint or streaks. Dryer sheets on baseboards. Used dryer sheets aren't trash, they repel dust. Run them along your baseboards to keep them cleaner longer. Vodka kills odors. Pour plain vodka into a spray bottle and lightly mist fabric, furniture, or shoes. It evaporates quickly, killing bacteria and odors. Cooking spray versus soap scum. Spray cooking oil on your shower glass, let it sit and then wipe. It dissolves stubborn soap scum like magic. WD-40 for toilet rings. Forget harsh cleaners. Spray WD-40 in your toilet bowl, scrub, and rinse. That ring? Gone. Microwave your sponges. Wet your sponge and microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes to kill 99% of bacteria. Just make sure there's no metal. Alka-Seltzer in the toilet. Drop 2 tablets into your toilet bowl, wait 15 minutes, scrub and flush for a fast refresh. Pillowcase for ceiling fans. Slide a pillowcase over each blade and pull it off to trap dust before it falls all over the room. Baking soda carpet deodorizer. Sprinkle baking soda on your carpet, let it sit for 15 minutes, then vacuum. Odors eliminated. Iron and towel for carpet stains. Spray the stain with a vinegar water mix, place a damp towel over it, and run a hot iron on top. The stain lifts like a dream. Tongs and microfiber socks equals blind cleaner. Wrap socks around kitchen tongs, secure with rubber bands, and run them between blind slats. Dust-free in minutes. Black tea for streak-free windows. Brew strong black tea, pour it into a spray bottle, and use it to clean glass. The tannins break down grime beautifully. Rubber gloves for pet hair. Put on damp rubber gloves and run your hands over furniture. Pet hair clings to the gloves like a magnet. Rice cleans vases. Add rice, warm water, and dish soap to narrow vases. Shake vigorously. The rice scrubs where your hand can't reach. White bread picks up broken glass. Press a slice of soft bread over broken glass shards to pick up even the tiniest pieces safely. Lint roller for lampshades. Run a lint roller over your lampshade. You'll be shocked how much dust it lifts off. Mayonnaise for water rings. Rub a dab of mayo onto wood water rings, let it sit overnight, then buff away. The oil helps restore the finish. Vinegar in the shower head. Tie a bag of vinegar around your shower head overnight. It dissolves mineral buildup and boosts water pressure. Socks on a broom equals floor duster. Stretch old socks over a broom head to create a reusable dust mop. Eco-friendly and effective. Dishwasher for more than dishes. Toss in flip-flops, plastic toys, or even baseball caps. Just skip the detergent and use the top rack. Tennis balls in the dryer. Throw clean tennis balls into the dryer with your comforters or jackets. They fluff up fabric and cut drying time. Surprised? Try just one of these, and you'll never go back. Hit like if you learned something new, share with a messy friend, and don't forget to follow for more jaw-dropping home hacks.